Hey, what's up, everyone? This morning, I hopped on my phone when I got up and went to Facebook and clicked on the search, and there was a little animated icon there that says, "Hey, ask Meta AI what you want." So I started to play around with it, and I realized that Meta has released their AI competitor to ChatGPT. So I did a whole video about how to use it on your mobile device and then in your browser. And then as I was exporting the video, I did some more search about what it was and how to access it without using your mobile app, and I came across the fact that they actually have a URL for that. And if you go to meta.ai, they're offering this free of charge. So I thought, hey, I'm going to scrap that previous video because this works really well. Now I can show you near the end of the video how this shows up in your Facebook account as well. So if you go to meta.ai, you're going to be posed with something that looks a lot like ChatGPT, this here. So it says, hey, some suggestions, and then you can ask down below. Now, if you look to the bottom left, you're going to see log in with Facebook. And this is really great because it says log in to save your conversations, your history, and sync with Messenger to generate images and more. Strongly recommend, if you got a Facebook account, you should log in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that so we can see, and we're probably going to see some of my conversations from the previous video showing up in here. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this process. And if you're already logged in on your computer, this should be pretty easy. There we go. So it's synced up. Now I'm just going to move my little recording button out of the way. Now we see history, it says Messenger. So if we click on this, we're probably going to see, yeah, there we go. So these are all the previous ones that I was doing on my mobile phone in here. So, write a Facebook post about how AI can help you be more productive in your small business. And then it did it. And then I said, write an email to promote this video about how AI can be more productive in your small business. Make sure to include a spot for a link to the video. And it did it. Okay. And then I thought, hey, let's challenge it to write outside of Facebook because maybe they've blocked some of this and don't want you to write content for other places. So I said, here's write a LinkedIn article on how AI can boost your productivity in small business. Okay. And there it generated it. So let's go over here and we're going to create a new conversation. Now I'm bringing this up to you because maybe you are just on a free version of ChatGPT and you want to try something different. Or maybe you're on the full version and you want to try something different. This is another available option. Here's the differentiating part between the two. When it comes to LLMs, which stands for large language models, which is the database or the information that these AI tools pull from, ChatGPT has their own large language model, GPT-4. This one is built off of what is called Llama 3. So a completely different large language model. So it'll be interesting to see what actually comes out of this as you start to use it. So we click on new conversation, and just like ChatGPT, you have to write something down below. So I'm going to go and kind of challenge it a little bit and say, generate a list of Facebook post ideas around how a female financial advisor can organize their business with a properly designed CRM. I'm going to give it more specifics here, and I'm like, give me 7 ideas. And you see, just like ChatGPT, it shows up on the left-hand side in your history. Now I'm going to be transparent here. This is the first time I've used this desktop version of it. So here we go. So it's giving us the titles here and everything. Very similar to ChatGPT. You've got your copy to clipboard. You've got your good response, bad response options that are here. So that I like this. I'm going to use this and really kind of give it the gears and test it out. That's here. Now, I'm curious, and I have not tested this. Did this chat show up over in my Messenger? So I'm just going to go ahead and grab that, and we'll take a look. And as you can see here I just hid the rest of the personal chats that I have with people going on here. But this is the Messenger app, and it doesn't. It only pulls in what I wrote in the Messenger app. Okay, so that's something good to know. So if you're going to do that, bookmark your meta.ai, and then you can see your Messenger one that's here. So you can always come back to this one and engage with that. So you can find those ones that are there, but your history is going to be here as well. Now, what are these 3 dots here? So rename or delete. So those are the functions in place. So give it a try. I mean, it's free. It's using Llama 3 in here, so it should allow you to do quite a bit. And if you have any questions or comments, wherever you're getting this video from me, if I've emailed it to you, if it's in Loom, or you're finding it on YouTube, in the comments below, ask any questions. I'll do my best to reply. But AI, my view on AI is it's not going to replace people. It is just going to make you more efficient and productive. So give it a try. It's meta.ai.